the first gear. Yeah, we go straight and the left.
Where you go left?
The left?
Uh-huh.
Perfect. Go. On the signal, we must turn the left.
Okay.
How do you think about this Ferrari?
It's good. It's very good. Can I manual?
Yeah, you can use.
Mhm.
You know use?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, you can go.
Okay.
It's
Everything about the cars.
okay, perfect. When you, yeah, you can do it. It's go manual. It's automatic. Yeah, it's now manual.
Ah, yes.
So you are lucky. You know why? She is lucky. Because you are photographer, no?
Yes, yes,
You do
yes.
photograph also?
Yes, all day, all
I
night.
don't like to
Why you don't like it?
I
So
think I
many
don't know how
girls.
to pose it.
All girls like photo.
But my twin sister, she's like favorite thing to do.
You have a twin?
Yes, I have a twin sister.
Wow.
But we are
My
not the same.
mother is a twin. Another sister, yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Kabilash.
Nice to meet you. My name is Neboisha.
Nebosha.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
And-
Shah. Yo, Kabilash.
yeah, Shah.
Okay, let him to go. Go slow. Go slow, go slow. Slow, slow. Let him to go.
Very nice.
Very nice. You are good photographer. You are good driver. And
Oh.
I think you are good husband. Push on that gear. Maybe it's go. It's not. Push. Okay, we have the roundabout, the second exit.
Okay.
What are you thinking about the Ferrari? You like it?
Yes, yes, it's very good.
Left.
Maranello is Ferrari place.
Yeah.
It's not Lambo.
Yeah. I think also that is you must try the Ferrari, not the Lambo.
Mm.
But if you like the Lambo, you can try it. Also that
Lambo is Lambo.
Lambo is Lambo. Yeah. Push now. Same thing. Go straight and push on the car and light the left. road is yours.
Okay. It's good, very. Where now?
The second.
Mogu se ti da ispričati?
Stabilan je on. Osjetio sam ja auto kako on stabilan, znam kad mogu.
Yeah.
Scary, but on the street,
On the
only
street, zero,
cars
bigger.
and two of us.
Yes, the lights.
Thinking about the car.
I forget for life.
He's
He's
on
drawing, yeah.
his dream. He's driving the dream car. No, because you know, the Italian go to another country.
Yes, we
the,
told about that.
the other country people come to
here,
Mara.
yeah,
Yeah.
It's logical for him.
Do you play in games?
Yeah. Also.
Yes, what? Well,
I play PlayStation. I play most Fortnite.
From the body.
Fortnite?
Yeah. You
I
also-
play Warzone.
Yeah, you were.
I like Warzone.
And on the mobile we play, me and my friend, we play Call of Duty.
Ah, yes, yes.
phone. How old are you?
33.
33.
Couple of days ago.
Yes.
Wow. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
You got the right here.
Right, okay.
I forgot my phone on the Roma.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe they somehow. You see this one? This is the factory of Formula
Yeah,
1.
yes,
Only
yes,
for
yes,
the
I know, I know. Scuderia.
Yeah, Scuderia.
We-
Here in the
you're
hotel,
the
no,
hotel,
yes,
yeah.
and now
Planet.
just looking at the factory.
The-
Yeah, I know.
We thought the city is empty.
Me
Because
too.
it's like a ghost town.
Yeah. Can you put the?
Can you build on
Yeah, if yeah. Okay. Right, perfect. This is the reverse.
Okay.
Okay. Today, more people know. That is my dream car. Porsche 911.
Yes, it's
911.
beautiful.
That
What are you driving?
I'm driving AMG Premium Line Benz.
Really?
Yeah. I will take my phone.
C or E class?
Huh?
C or E class?
CLA.
CLA. Oh,
Yeah.
nice car.
The coupe.
I drive Giulietta.
Yeah.
Yes,
We
yes.
change the cars
From there you can stop.
very often.
Where is the park?
No, it's automatic.
Really?
Yeah. You push full stop
Stop.
Aha, stop engine.
and it's go all automatic. When you open the door, it's go P on the back.
Ah, yes. Nice. Nice car, nice.
I forgot my phone. I don't know where is my phone. Here is my phone.
Is there?
Let me show my car. This is my car. It's not.
If you want
Yeah?
some pictures, I can.
Yeah, but you must go to.
Can you popodne?
Afternoon.
Afternoon?
Maybe we'll do it. I think, but the boss.
U 8, kako kažem 8?
You see,
My English is not so good, sorry.
this one is
Oh,
my car.
nice.
It's all black. I want to change in the this one. I want to put like this, and I want to do all the window black.
Oh, yeah. Nice.